Today I'm making a very interesting dessert which includes chocolate, cake, cream. I just want to eat the fruits right now. Delicious, but of course that has to wait, and let's get on with the recipe now. Take 120 ml of dark chocolate, put it in a bowl and melt this in the microwave for 30 seconds. If you don't have a microwave, you can easily use a double boiling method that I've mentioned in my hot chocolate bombs video, so do check that out. So our chocolate is melted and it's super silky and smooth, as you can see. So this should be the consistency. So now the next step, I'll show you what we have to do for this amazing dessert. So here I have some chocolate hemisphere molds. This I had also used for the hot chocolate bomb recipe. What I will do is take a spoon and I'm going to put the chocolate there. Then I will spread it out evenly like this. You have to take an offset spatula and you have to remove the excess chocolate that's on the top so that the chocolate shells don't crack, and then just evenly put the chocolate. And these are ready to go in the freezer for 10 to 15 minutes until they're hard and then solid. I have taken 120 ml of sweetened non-dairy whipped cream, and now we have to beat this using a beater at medium speed for around 4 to 5 minutes. So I've beaten the whipped cream for around 5 to 6 minutes, and the consistency should be light and very fluffy and airy. So after freezing the chocolate shells for 15 minutes, I will take them out. So just gently take the molds out. Here I'm taking a hot plate, and on that you have to put the chocolate shells so they even out and there are no cracks, and do that with the other one also. So is take the chocolate bomb and I just put the whipped cream that I had beaten before, just like that, put it there. Then put a small circle pistachio cake, and I've already posted the video of pistachio cake, so check that out. Now put the cake like this and then fill it with cream again so that the cake is sealed and it won't break open. Similarly, do that with the other one. So if the whipped cream is uneven on top, take an offset spatula and smoothen it out. Now I'll just close the chocolate bomb and it looks really pretty and nice. You just take some biscuit crumbs. You can use any biscuit crumbs. Then on top of that, we will add the majestic chocolate ball. After that, I'm adding some special fruits. There is some strawberries, and I also add some kiwi to make it really pretty. Wow, it looks so nice. Now I will also pipe some whipped cream. Now in addition, I'll also add some sprinkles on the whipped cream and around here so it looks presentable. Now I will also add some almond flakes. So I'll cut it hard now. Wow, look at the pistachio cake and the cream inside. Yum, it looks so tempting. I'll just have a taste. It's amazing. The kiwi, the strawberry, the pistachio cake, the chocolate, and even the biscuit crumbs go so well together. Try this recipe. It may look really complicated, but it's very easy. Bye, and like and subscribe to my channel.